Are you ready to have some fun?
Hi everyone, I'm Angela Tuller, and I want to be the first to say congratulations on being a winner of our Recycling Kids game show Scratch and Win game. You are one of 1,000 kids in your area that won a full year of unlimited online plays of this fun and exciting Recycling Kids game show special edition DVD. And you can invite your friends and classmates to come play it too. Now, in just a few minutes, you are going to be a contestant on our show. But first, there are 10 Green Hero businesses that helped make all of this possible. They all believe in giving back to the community they serve, and for that, we thank them very much. So let's all give a big thank you to Mark Anderson at Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, Catalina Restrepo at Mia and the Dragonfly, Kimba Hills at Rumba Art Design Decor, Tony Aldana at Culver Palms Animal Hospital, Sona Sorab at Star Kids Dental, Fabio Depez at Z Ultimate Self-Defense Studio, Daryl Sperber at Manhattan Beach Toyota, Kristen Perkins at Dylan Keys Salon, Sabrina Nekjavanpour at Tutu's Kids, and Angela Lund at Baby Days. Congratulations and thank you, everyone! And now it's time for this special presentation of our Recycling Kids game show. Have fun, everyone!